my plan now is to now bend the right here, at least one click, two click, and you see like I had the brake in it, so if I release the brake, this tire is about to try to run. I will do it with 3 clicks to see how 3 clicks do it. 3 clicks. I will release the brake to see what happens with the tire. I will release the brake, see what happens with the tire. Yeah, that was the 3 clicks that I hit. Let me try. Click. Like 3 times. See what happens. I will try to clean 3 times to see what happens. One click. I see 4 times. 2 click. 3 click. And 4 click. The unit now have a powerful pressure in it. If I try to release it, I put it in a way that I'm gonna release it into the tire. Let me release the brake again. I think this is what a test that this system can someone who works by having a very large amount of click in the spring. I will just keep doing further test to see what happens.